In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit cards with HoneyBook. To get started, sign into your HoneyBook account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, open the project that contains the invoice you want to update. This is important because payment settings are adjusted directly inside the specific invoice, so you'll want to begin in the correct project before making any changes. Once you're inside the project, open the invoice you want to work on. Take a quick moment to confirm that it's the right invoice, especially if the project includes multiple files or payment requests. After that, click Edit on the invoice so you can update the available payment methods. Next, open the payment settings. This is where HoneyBook lets you control how your client can pay. Look for the section labeled Allow Your Clients to Pay With. In this area, you'll see the available payment options. Typically, these include credit card, bank account, or both. These choices determine what your client will see when they receive the invoice, so it's a good idea to review them carefully before saving. If you want to accept only credit card payments, select credit card. If you'd like to give your client the option to pay either by credit card or directly from a bank account, select both. The best option depends on how you want to receive payments and how much flexibility you want to offer your clients. Credit cards are often the most familiar and convenient option, while offering both methods can make it easier for clients to choose what works best for them. After making your selection, verify that the option you chose is highlighted. This visual confirmation helps ensure the setting has actually been applied before you move on. It's a small step, but it can help prevent mistakes. Once everything looks correct, save the invoice changes. Saving is essential because your new payment settings won't take effect until the invoice has been updated. After saving, preview the invoice to confirm that credit card payments are now available. This preview lets you see the invoice from the client's perspective, which is a great way to double-check that everything appears as expected. When you've confirmed the setup, go ahead and send or share the invoice with your client. At that point, they'll be able to use the payment options you enabled. And that's it. You've successfully updated your HoneyBook invoice to accept credit card payments. Thanks for watching.